PI News World. Today, an interesting development is attracting attention across the Pi network ecosystem. Benzconnect dapps, available through Pi browser testnet, has reportedly listed another high-end Mercedes Benz vehicle, the Mercedes MAYBACH G-Class, with a displayed price of 1.0 Pi. At first glance, this may sound unbelievable. The MAYBACH G-Class is one of the most luxurious and expensive SUVs in the automotive world, so seeing it listed at 1.0 Pi naturally raises questions among pioneers. However, there is an important distinction we must understand. Testnet is not the same as open mainnet. A listing appearing on testnet should be viewed as part of an ongoing testing and development process. It does not automatically mean that the vehicle can currently be purchased for 1 Pi on open mainnet. This is where the story becomes particularly interesting for pioneers. Benzconnect is demonstrating how Pi browser dapps could potentially connect Pi with real-world products and services. If this type of development continues, it could represent an important step toward increasing the practical utility of Pi. The bigger picture is not simply about one Mercedes MAYBACH G-Class. The real question is what happens when decentralized applications begin connecting digital currency with real-world commerce. Imagine an ecosystem where users can interact with businesses, purchase products, access services, and conduct transactions through Pi-powered applications. That is the kind of utility many pioneers have been waiting to see. But we should remain realistic. We should not claim that a MAYBACH G-Class is officially worth 1 Pi on open mainnet unless there is clear confirmation from the appropriate official sources. The final implementation, verification, and conditions still matter. What we are seeing on testnet can be viewed as a potential demonstration of what the ecosystem could eventually support. For pioneers, this development can certainly be encouraging. It suggests that developers are exploring ways to connect Pi with real-world assets and commerce. And that is important because the long-term strength of any digital ecosystem depends heavily on utility. The more useful an ecosystem becomes, the more reasons people have to participate in it. At the same time, pioneers should avoid unrealistic promises, guaranteed profit claims, or assumptions based solely on testnet listings. Always verify information before making financial decisions. The next major point of interest is the final implementation by the Pi core team and what happens when the ecosystem operates fully on open mainnet. If developments like Benzconnect continue to evolve, they could become part of a much bigger story. A story about transforming Pi from a digital asset into a cryptocurrency with practical, real-world utility. So, pioneers, stay informed, stay patient, and keep watching the ecosystem closely. The MAYBACH listing is interesting. The real story is the utility behind it. This is PI News World, bringing you Pi network news, developments, and analysis. Stay informed. Stay patient. Stay pioneer.